Okay, epic battle between Dalek
Does.
Really?
and Warhammer.
Modeling that.
What are they? What is he fighting?
Lothan Seaguard
All right, whatever that. And
and Illyrian Reavers.
all right, and Jay thinks the Dalek will win.
Yeah.
Matt.
Yeah, and look at him.
No, I'm going for the Reavers.
Okay. No, he won't.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought I did.
What? Just you're confusing him. Oh, look, he's coming back for more.
You got a bike test there.
Oh,
Oh
Till, get out of the way. Oh, get him.
no! I take more. More.
He's really out for the kill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we determine who wins?
I thought he said
Oh no, don't go in the sink.
they can't sell. Oh no. No, it's turning into a toilet.
I'll go as a helping hand.
Yeah, it's too hard.
No, it's not.
Nothing for him.
You have been.
Move, Till. Move!
I'll try to catch things.
Okay, so they're dead.
Yeah.
I'll
Oh
get
no,
this.
they're going to fall in the sink, Dad. I know.
Stupid thing, why does he keep going there?
Go away. Oh,
Now he's just being dumb. Just,
I thought he was going to. Well, I'm sorry.
If he goes off, he loses, right?
It's really scary.
yeah, if he goes off, he's dead. Oh, the Dalek loses.
Oh,